What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally Friday, because today is the very best day of the week. There's Hamilton. His truck's out here. So you guys, let's go. I know them right there, some fine, some of guns.
Oh yeah, they make fly days over there.
Yep. Them steps are nice. So how's your week?
I've been a little bit slow. I took off yesterday. Been trying to take about one day a week off just because I can still cover it for the other 4 days. But
Just cutting the payroll back?
Yeah, you got to save on fuel costs. That's average $100 a day on fuel, so always something.
Sure enough.
Yeah.
Well,
So I'm going to take a Friday off one week, Monday next week, get 4-day weekends out of it then, but she don't like that idea.
I heard that. I figured them would have been gone by now.
Well, I was able to get another one of these and, from the Corinth guy. He got his in, and I got his from him. I thought this would be gone this morning, but no.
Well, so nothing good and exciting this week?
I haven't got a single shipment in this week yet. We I think we got 4 boxes coming in today. UPS is dropping off. We got 4 of them coming in today.
I see you got a neon snap-on clock down here.
That's pretty neat, ain't it?
Yep.
That's the clock, or I mean clock, battery or plug-in.
Hey. How much is that?
I took $50 on it. It's a used one. I bought it from a customer of mine.
I'll take that joker.
Yeah.
Looks good in there. Was it light up red?
I can't remember. We'll plug it up and find out.
Man, that looks good.
Nah, just the white.
White. Heck yeah. You know that big snap-on clock y'all had that had the bubble glass?
Yep.
I've never turned that thing on.
Have you not?
It's still burning.
That's mine in my shop's the same way. It's like a night light. Yeah.
So you think y'all gonna get some of them brutes, huh?
Yeah, we got some coming in. I think I got 3 or 4 of them coming in. Oh, I got something else.
I'm looking forward to them brutes.
Something Clay been asking about.
Did you get this one at Ratchet?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
I had to go get this from another dealer because I didn't. Apparently, I don't know if I didn't sign up or if I just didn't get drawn for these.
Oh, that's gonna be cool right there.
You can see the box as they come in.
God, let me see that thing. That is cool right there. Hadn't applied for. That's crazy too.
Pretty neat, ain't it?
Yeah.
There's a card that they send in there with it.
Yeah, I need that. Might as well. I got about every other one they got.
Well,
I
yeah.
don't need it. Let me rephrase that. Let me back up. I want that.
Yeah.
I don't need it.
Well, that's what I told my wife. I told her, I said, I need this. She said, you don't need that. I said, no. I said, well, my wants and needs is under the same category. So if I want it, therefore I need it. You know.
I want to need it.
And now she sees things my way. So
There you go.
if I tell her I want something, she wants to go with me so to help pick out the color. Because otherwise I'll just come home with one, like new tractors or side by sides.
Yeah, that is cool right there.
Yeah.
That'll be something I'll never ever use.
That's
But
what
it is cool.
well, I got this one from the same guy. I called and he was asking if I had any of them left. I said I never got any. And I said, but I'd take some if you got some. He said, well, I got a couple of them I can get rid of. So I went and got them from him. And of course I got that from him.
Man, that's cool right there.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you something else I need, because I have cleaned out the sock drawer. Everything that's got a hole, a tire, or a stretch in it, I got rid of it. So if you got them extra large socks, I need them.
You want the tall ones?
Yeah.
Let me see if we got any on here. Or if I got them all at the house.
What you got, that a Matco gun?
Yeah, put that in on trade.
16 volt?
I think so. Got 3 batteries with it.
Quarter inch.
I don't know if it's 16 or no, it's 12 volt it says.
Still work?
Yeah.
How much is that really?
I think I got like 110 in it.
You got a charger?
Yeah.
It's cheap enough.
3 batteries, charger, and the gun.
Hey,
You want that too?
do good on my service truck. Yeah, I got the 3/8. That's cheap.
Guy come on the truck this morning. Or the same one you said a bunch of stuff comes from. It's usually all covered in dirt.
Yeah.
And he said he ain't had this very long.
What did he get the 3/8 vert? I mean,
No, he got the 1/4 inch snap on it.
14.4. That's a stout little old booger right there
Yeah.
now.
It's 60 or 65 foot-pounds.
I use it all the time. Like, I'd rather use it, like doing valve covers, stuff like that, than I had my big gun, because
I mean, they're running 10
if
millimeter
you
bolt
ain't
down
paying
easy.
attention what you're doing with
Oh,
that
you're
big gun,
You'll break something in the heartbeat.
like, I just run it down until it bumps, and, you know, we're good with it most of the time. But
With a 1/4 inch, you can run her down. It ain't got to be so gentle on it, but especially some of them in the plastic and everything else.
yeah, no, that is true.
I don't think we traded on anything else, really. Couple screw guns.
Oh, you got a high wheel screw gun. Bill will be, he'd be all over that thing.
There. Let me see what it
They're
says.
trying to trade that green one back in.
Got a mess in there. That's all the
Wrong one. Extra large.
That's all the wrong one.
10,000 higher, and I gotta pick something you ain't got.
I pulled a lot of socks off because we had tons of them on there.
It's the short ones.
Yep. Thought I had
That's all
another.
we got, it's the short ones there.
Yep. I'll bring you some of them next week. How many bags do you want? That's what I mean.
I'm about 7.
7 bags?
7 pair.
7 dozen?
Yeah. 7 pair.
Yeah, I'll bring them to you.
Alright, there's one right there.
So you're down to 6 already.
There might be some more hid back there.
Got some more of them lights in the UV ones.
Bad to the bone right there. Somebody was asking about, I can't remember who it was. I did a little video talking about that. I gave the part number in there, I thought. That's the one right there. You don't even need them yellow glasses. If
Not
you
with
can't,
these.
If you can't see it with that, you need to get your eyes checked.
Yeah. I saw a buddy of mine, we do a lot of coyote hunting and stuff. He does a lot more than I do. But he bought one of these to carry with him out there at nighttime.
Wow.
Just so he could see walking around, that way they ain't got the bright white light out everywhere.
One of them jokers is bright.
I ain't been with him. He got that about 2 weeks ago. I ain't been since, but he says it worked pretty good for what he's wanting to do with it.
So, like it almost hurts your eyes underneath the hood.
Yeah.
It's so bright.
I'm not sure if anybody uses the yellow glasses with them. Like with
Dang sure don't need now like them little bitty ones.
with
I got
these,
those
you
little
need the
pocket
yellow
ones.
glasses and stuff.
Yeah, you better have it, but with that one,
No, you don't
all
need
you
it.
gotta do is hang on. Here's something interesting for you guys. All black snap-on half-inch drive. Part number is a GS88.
No, don't worry about it. I get it.
Okay. they come out with on the 100th anniversary that you know of?
I don't know. I'd have to check and see. I was like, well, I knew we had them. I didn't know about these. They just showed up. And then I ordered a bunch more of them because I thought them looked pretty good.
They really should consider making that a normal color. That looks good.
Yeah.
If it wasn't so expensive, I would build a shadow box with that. Ratchet and all that, put it in it, but they'd give me $5,000 in a shadow box.
Hang on the wall.
Somebody stole that, it'd be like losing a new Ford pickup, you know.
You have to wait till the Corona's gone before you can afford to do something like that.
Ooh, that'd be rough.
Yeah. Have all of them, that air hammer, the screwdriver, the ratchet.
Like, well, damn, I just went bankrupt. One box.
What'd that cost you to build? About $5 grand.
About $5 grand. Yep.
Oh, that would be bad.
Sure enough.
I know you've seen these. I don't know if a lot of other folks have. This is something that we have on here pretty regular though. Impact and air ratchets. Huh. Have you seen these?
I don't think so. You may have talked about it, but I don't know if we...
You get 1/2 inch or 3/8, but it's an impact air ratchet. It's like probably take the looking at off your truck out here.
What's the foot panel supposed to be on?
190, I think. Yeah, 190.
That's crazy, ain't it?
We'll go try it out on something before we leave.
That is crazy.
Yeah. I saw one to a guy, they do a bunch of transmission work on big trucks.
Oh, yeah.
He got the 1/2 and the 3/8. They,
are they both the same torque rating?
I'm not sure if it's 190 or 170 on the 3/8, but it's pretty close to it though.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get
that's interesting.
Yeah.
How much are these right here?
About $100. Maybe a little bit less. Yeah, them are 73. And I got the 400, which is adjustable. Just a little bit more. That one's 73. 498.
Both of these are the same.
No, it's a 300. That's a 400. It looks about just like it. But you can see the difference in the adjustable. This one goes from 50 to 220. This goes from 50 to 820 on the wattage. So for $15 more, you can get the bigger one.
I got one, but my darn, it don't always light.
Yeah.
And sometimes I have to cheat and use another lighter.
To light the torch.
Don't smoke no more.
Don't have a lighter on you all the
Bill
time.
ain't here. I can't heat shrink that. If it don't light, I'll have to use the torch lighter, like the one we use for the
right here.
The blow torch. Yeah, that's what I do.
I'm gonna come in here next week and have one of them on your keychain.
Yeah. Flick, flick. Yeah. So it's $15 difference in them. Huh?
Yep, from the 300 to the 400.
I bet them suckers will eat the darn butane too.
I'm sure on high it's probably going to use a little bit more of it for sure.
I mean, you leave it turned down anyway. So.
Yeah.
Man.
These are pretty handy. I use mine all the time.
Yeah, but you smoking crack.
Well, you gotta do what you gotta do though.
Or you smoking meth, one of the two.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hamilton's like me, he's a full-figured boy. It's pretty obvious that he's
yeah, they ain't on no meth right here. Maybe on the buffet, but ain't on no meth.
Must be on them Michelobs, huh?
Yeah, most definitely on the Michelob.
Oh, me. Man, I done messed around and got a pile by accident here.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. Little stubby son of guns. Oh, them short, ain't they?
That's the low profile ones.
They are.
normally come in a set, but I ordered every single size. I figured I'd get the plastic tray with 2 or 3 individuals. No, they're sending every one of them individuals.
There you go. That way you gotta buy this tray separate.
Yeah. I ordered these for myself.
That's
just to have.
Get you right there now.
That's what's going on. They getting me.
That's it. I figured you'd have done sold everything with the barbecue sets by now.
I done put more ratchets up here. Same big sets. I ain't sold none of the Pliers sets, but we sold a lot of Pliers anyway. We'll have
I tell you, them right there is the best thing ever. That's the piece. Same way.
Yeah, where you can see the voltage.
Nice right there.
It's funny, the old timers using the old, like with the bulbs in them still.
Yeah.
Like, oh, if it's working, no. Because if it's getting 8 volts, it might not work like it's supposed to, and you could tell.
Well, I like the fact you test the ground with it,
Yep.
you know.
Yeah, you got a different color on that. So.
That's a nice test net right there. That was like the second or third thing I think I bought.
I think you bought one of them pretty soon. Yeah.
But I like it.
Yeah, we sell a lot of test lights.
Which one would be?
Oh, I had something else too. Let's show you. Do you see them last week, or did I have on here? Them pretty neat. The box don't do it justice. They look a lot smaller in here. Let me open it up.
Smaller?
They look a lot smaller on the.
Oh. I thought you meant they're small.
Nah.
It says 1 liter. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about right there for a beer mug now. You would leave about 3 of them, fool.
They get the day started good though.
Yep. It's pretty cool right there.
Okay.
Right there would be a good start. About 3 of them, about 5 o'clock or so.
You got to get room in your freezer though, so you can get them where they're good and cold. My wife come in, she's like, "What the hell do you put these in here for?" I said, "Because they're better out of a frosted mug."
Have a deep freeze.
Yeah. Yeah, I seen them. I had to have them. See how heavy that sucker is.
Oh, yeah. That's a beer mug right there.
Yeah. I'd hold some of them right there for you.
You sell many of them jack stands?
Not the small ones. I know the big ones.
Yeah.
Just the small ones a lot of people don't use. I guess. I don't know.
Well, I guess that'll do me in today. Got a whole pile of stuff. I'll get in trouble when this drops. Man. Alright guys. Well, y'all see the pile of goodies we got. We got the Matco 1/4 inch, 1 pair of socks, the butane thing, and the 100th anniversary ratchet and the clock. So, it's a good day. Alright guys, like always, check the links down in the description. We've got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Y'all have a great weekend, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.